Hey guys, how are you doing? You are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliet. If this is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make anti-aging face cream using garlic. This recipe is very active. It will remove all the wrinkles and fine lines on your skin and make you look younger. Please watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you will see it, and also like this video. Without wasting your time, let's go straight to the point. So guys, this is how to prepare anti-aging garlic cream. To prepare this recipe, we need cloves of garlic. We need 10 cloves of garlic. We start by peeling the garlic. Garlic fights wrinkles and prevents their appearance. Put the garlic in a saucepan and add a cup of water. Cook it for 5 minutes. After boiling the garlic, you put the boiled garlic in the blender and blend it with the water. We sieve out the water. We add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix it very well. Pour the mixture in a saucepan. Then put the mixture on a low heat. Keep stirring until you get a creamy mixture. Now we got the garlic cream. Now we are going to divide the cream into 2 places. We add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix very well. Keep this mixture in a small container. So guys, this is how to apply it. Apply this cream 3 times a week. You leave it on your skin for 30 minutes before you wash it off. Apply this cream to the skin of your face and neck. You can apply it to the wrinkles around the eyes. You will get tight skin from the first use. You can store this mixture in a fridge. Now we will prepare the second cream. We bring out the remaining garlic cream that left. We add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel to the remaining garlic cream and mix it very well. So the next step is to add vitamin E. We add one capsule of vitamin E on it and mix it very well. We got a creamy mixture. Keep this cream in a small container, then store in a fridge. Use it to massage your skin for a minute. Leave this cream on your face overnight and wash your skin in the morning. Repeat this method every day. I promise you amazing results from the first week. Wrinkles and fine lines will disappear from your skin forever. So that is end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video and click on the notification bell. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.